Vidhan Sabha constituency. Vidhan Sabha constituency, one of the 288 Vidhan Sabha Legislative Assembly constituencies of Maharashtra state in western India. It is located in the Raigad district. Members of Legislative Assembly. 1995, Mohan Patel, Peasants and Workers' Party of India. 1999, Mohan Patel, Peasants and Workers' Party of India. 2004, Ravishiv Patel, Indian National Congress. 2009, Daryashal Patel, Peasants and Workers' Party of India. 2014, Daryashal Patel, Peasants and Workers' Party of India. 2019, Ravishiv Patel, Bharatiya Janata Party. Election results. General elections 2009.